Alright, so we're going to do the stair now. So in order to do that, it's usually best to be in a plan view. So I'm just going to go to my plan 1 view. And I'm going to go ahead and make a stair that goes vertically from level 1 to level 2. And we're going to copy it up to level 2, and then we'll cut a hole in the floors for it to go through. So I'm going to go to my stair command right here under the architecture tab and left click. You're going to have an assembled stair that says 7-inch max riser, 8-inch tread white come up. It actually should say 9-inch max, 8-inch tread. So if you'll go to the edit type and change the name to 9 and 8, okay? And then confirm that 9 and 8 are set here. Basically what I did was change the limits on what this stair will do since it's so vertical. The default stair, which if I go to this pull down and pick the 7-inch max 11-inch riser, is set to 7 and 11 for basically code reasons. It won't go past that. But this stair, as I said, is much more vertical. So we're going to use this guy. And when you select the stair, it will do a stair by component by default if you pick the picture on the button. And so the location line is going to do the run left on this. For me, I'm going to set that. I'm not going to have an offset, and the width is going to be 3 feet, and we can adjust that afterwards. So if I come down here and left click and run my cursor up, you'll see that it's counting risers, saying like 11 created, 2 remaining, 12 created, 1 remaining. And then if you just let it go to 0 and left click, it will create the stairs. And so if I go to 3D view, you see those stairs in there. I go back to my plan 1. I zoom in. You can see they're a little wide. So I'm going to left click on them. And I'm going to zoom in to this little blue thing and pull on it until it aligns with the interior wall. Now it's going to yell at us because the minimum width is also set to 3 feet, which is also a code related setting, but this one is actually narrower, and so it's just warning us that that's smaller. So we're just going to ignore that warning. And if we go up, you can see there's our stair. And if I hit check, it'll draw that stair in. And if I go back to my 3D view, there's that stair. And we're going to cut a hole for it in a minute, but we need a stair for the second to the third. So I'm just going to pick this stair, and I'm going to copy it to the clipboard up here, and you can Control-C it if you want to. And then I'm going to go to the paste command, and I'm going to paste a line to selected levels, and I'm going to go to plan 2. Click OK. All right, and it gives us that same error that it's too narrow, but that's fine. And so now we have our stairs. Now we just need to cut the shaft for those stairs. So I'm going to go to my, I'll just go to plan 2 this time. So you can see sort of that whole stair. And I'm going to come in, and under architecture is a shaft option. And if you left click on that, it'll send you into sketch mode, and you can just do a rectangle and draw a rectangle around the stairs. And then over on the left, you'll see the base constraint is set to plan 1 or plan 2, and it goes up to plan 3. I'm going to set that base constraint to plan 1 so it goes through the second floor. And then I'm going to say check. And then if I go to my 3D view, there's the stairs. Now you may need to, it was a little bit easier to do the stairs and adjust the and then do the shaft, so I knew exactly how big the stairs were going to be. But that's it. I mean, you could increase the landing or something to catch the stairs, but that's it. All right.